Okay, so I just arrived. My GPS definitely isn't working here, which is fine because who needs directions when you have adventure? And is that a live chicken? Whoa! The amount of organic matter on the ground is truly impressive. Everyone here moves with such a fierce determination, like they're all late for a very important pirate meeting. Okay, I need a coffee. Or at least something that isn't actively moving in my cup. Maybe I can find a quiet corner and definitely not ask for Wi-Fi. I'm learning, slowly, painfully. Okay, this is definitely more authentic than I expected. It's smoky, loud, and I'm pretty sure that woman just challenged someone to a knife fight. I'm gonna try and find a seat. I think my attempt to order a refreshing kombucha was met with the most confused stare in all of 1720. I ended up with ale. The barmaid is still looking at me like I might spontaneously combust or ask for a QR code. This is much better. Less potential for immediate brawl, more trying to figure out if this is a fruit or a fossil. This vendor is trying to sell me very quickly, and I only caught about half a word. So while I was contemplating the existential dread of this dried fruit, she walked past. Who was that? She's giving very much boss energy. I think I just figured out who that was. I heard a few women whispering her name. It's the red scarf lady the fishmonger warned me about. And if what I'm thinking is true, then I just saw one of the most wanted pirates in history. Okay, so this is where all the actual pirate stuff happens. There are ships, flags, cannons, and a lot of very, very intense people. I'm pretty sure I just saw someone trying to teach a parrot to say curse words. This isn't a theme park. This is real. And the woman I just saw, she's definitely here. And I think she knows I'm here. This is giving very much main character in a bad horror movie vibes. And I'm the main character. I'm trying to figure out where my time machine even is in all this chaos, but honestly, everything here looks like it could be a hidden portal to another dimension. The sun is starting to get really hot. I need to ask someone. But everyone here looks like they'd rather make me than give me directions. I'm going to try and find a quieter area, maybe near those smaller boats. Okay, this is better. A little less chaos, a little more quiet desperation. I think that woman over there is mending a net. I'm going to try and talk to her, very subtly, about, unusual occurrences or things that glow and then disappear in a puff of... She's completely ignoring me. Or maybe she just doesn't speak time traveler. Or maybe she thinks I'm a particularly annoying seagull. Either way, I'm getting zero intel about my time machine. Okay, plan B. Just walk and look for it. It can't be that hidden, right? I'm heading back towards the main part of the port, but I'm going to stick to the edges. Oh my God, she was waiting for me. I swear she was waiting for me. I just turned the corner and she was just there. She's looking at me like she knows exactly what I am, and she finds it hilarious. This is not good. Okay, this is my cue to exit. Immediately. She's definitely interested in my phone, which is flattering, I guess, for my tech, but not for my personal safety. She's after my phone! Anne Bonny, the infamous pirate, wants my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is not in any history book. I'm running. I'm just running. I don't even know where I'm going. All these alleys look the same, and they all smell vaguely of fish and existential dread. My options are limited, and my phone battery is probably not built for this kind of historical data usage. Okay, this is officially not a hide-and-seek game anymore. I'm completely tangled. Anne Bonny is literally standing over me. She just snatched my phone! She just said, and I quote, "Ye be too clever to leave ashore, lass. You're with us." So, yeah, I've been press-ganged by Anne Bonny. I'm a pirate now. Okay, they're taking me to the ship. It's huge. I'm trying to look brave, but my inner monologue is just screaming. I am officially on a pirate ship. At night. And we're about to cast off. This is happening! Everyone is shouting, and I'm pretty sure I just nearly got hit by a swinging rope. Oh my God, we're moving! The ship is actually sailing. And it's very rocky. I feel like I'm on a really aggressive theme park ride. Okay, So the view is spectacular, like truly unreal. You can see every single star, but also there's no land anywhere, just water, which means I am officially stranded on a pirate ship in 1720. Send help, and maybe a GPS for the old time. I tried to ask a female crew member where we were going, and she said, "Wherever the wind takes us, lass, and a fine booty awaits." I think that means she doesn't know either, or we're going to steal something.
So where are we going?
Okay, the sky is looking dramatic. Clouds are gathering, the wind is picking up, and everyone is suddenly moving very, very fast. I think we're about to have a storm. We are in a storm! Historical hurricane! The ship is going up and down like a rubber duck in a bathtub, and Anne Bonny is out there! Okay, the storm passed. We survived, I think. I'm soaked, I'm freezing, but Anne Bonny just walked over and handed me a small blanket, and it's actually kind of sweet. I tried to check my temporal app, but it's just a blank screen. No signal, no beacon, nothing. My time machine is probably miles away. Back on that beach, I am completely, utterly stranded.
Okay, new plan. Escape. I just spotted their longboat. It's tiny, but it's a boat. And it's my ticket back to civilization. Anne Bonny is distracted. This is my chance.
I need a distraction. Something loud. Something that will get the few night guards to look the other way. Okay, the rum-fueled chaos worked. I just snuck past the sleeping guard. She's snoring so loud I thought it was a small sea monster. I'm almost at the longboat. This is a lot harder than it looks in the movies. These ropes are ancient, and this boat is so heavy and it's making so much noise. If Anne Bonny wakes up, please, please, just go down. I'm in the longboat, and I'm rowing. My arms are already burning, and I've only gone about 10 feet. This is a full body workout I did not sign up for. But land is out there somewhere. Land! Oh my God, land! I made it! My arms are officially noodles, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a full body massage for a week, but I'm back on solid ground. I found it! The temporal beacon! It's right here! Oh my God, I could cry. I actually made it back. After the ship and the storm and the rowing, my time machine is my best friend. This is what true love feels like, people. I keep thinking about Anne Bonny. She was fierce, absolutely incredible, and terrifying, and she almost made me a pirate. It's wild to think about these historical figures being real. The portal is opening. I can feel the temporal hum. It's like a static shock, but for your whole soul. This is my exit. My very dramatic, very well-deserved exit. Goodbye, 1720 pirates. You were terrifying, but also surprisingly charming. Okay, so I'm back, safe and sound. And my phone still works. And I have coffee. Glorious, glorious coffee. But tell me, genuinely, if you had one chance to time travel and get press ganged onto a pirate ship by Anne Bonny, would you still go? And what modern item would you miss the most at sea? Drop it in the comments, because I honestly think Anne Bonny is still talking about my phone, and I'm never taking warm water for granted again. Next time, I'm packing a better escape plan. Or just staying home. If you want to see where I travel next, subscribe. Because the next one is going to be even wilder. And hopefully, less piratey and more spa-like.